Former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque maintains that he is not a fugitive. Roque says he was being attacked for supposedly spreading a fake video of President Marcos. Roque has been cited in contempt by Congress for his failure to submit documents in relations to POGOs. He said he would only surrender and submit these documents if asked by the Supreme Court. In response, Congressman Johnny Pimentel denies politicizing Roque's case. Pimentel says the House of Representatives will continue to look for Roque. The House may also ask the Immigration Bureau to issue a hold departure order against Roque. Well, he's not a fugitive naman talaga. It's just may arrest order sa kanya for the hearing. And this arrest warrant or contempt was only active until the Quadcom is in session, di ba? Habang naghi-hearing sila. Tapos terminated na lahat.
Sabi nga niya dun sa kanyang Facebook Live, may freedom is important to me, yun ang sabi niya.
Fair naman eh. Kung gusto kasi ng mga ibang representatives na to get to the bottom of this, have several lawyers kasuhan si Attorney Roque. So that the Senate now, pag nag-present ng evidence, they will be compelled to request yung paperwork ni Harry Roque. Saan nga galing ang pera mo? Pero
questionable daw kasi yung wealth ni Harry Roque.
Pero kasi
before the Pogo link, parang 1-point-something million lang yung pera.
Tapos he sold property daw.
125 million na.
Oh, because he sold property.
Something to that effect, oo.
60 million ata, 64 million. And then, but he sold property, ang hinihinging document is yung deed of sale. But siyempre, since wala naman case si Attorney Roque, I think at this point, prerogative niya yun kung ayaw niya ilabas.
Oh, ngayon, tas diba, I was asking, kasi kasama dun sa mga documents na hinihingi ng Quadcom Committee from spokesperson Harry Roque, former spokesperson Harry Roque, yung medical certificate.
Medical certificate ng asawa.
So, sabi ko, bakit? Anong kinalaman nun? So, when we were able to talk to Representative Abante, di ba sinabi niya, kasi nga, ini-invite pala nila yung asawa.
Tapos may sakit daw?
Harry Roque, at lagi daw may sakit. So, they needed to
see,
di ba, yung medical certificate. Kasi bakit? Anong importansya nung asawa ni Harry Roque dito in all of this? No? Kasi if you can remember, for context lang, no, yung asawa ni Attorney Harry Roque, ang pangalan niya si Myla Roque, ay supposedly nakapirma doon sa, may participation siya, di ba? Signature doon sa lease contract, doon sa bahay nila sa Tuba Benguet. Which in fact, doon nahuli yung dalawang Chinese nationals na na-link sa Pogo several months ago. That's why, sabi niya, they want to talk to her as well.
That's right.
So, and other than that, maraming mga documents ang hihingi sa kanya kay Harry Roque, kay Attorney Harry Roque. And sabi naman niya, I will only give this kung ang Supreme Court na magsabi sa akin na importante at ibigay ito sa Quadcom Committee. Yun ang sinasabi niya. Other than that, sabi niya, ayaw daw niya muna umattend ng hearings because nakita daw niya yung mga di ba, na-cite in contempt siya, 24 hours siya nagstay sa detention facility ng Congress, di ba? Tapos sinasabi niya, kangaroo court yan di ba? Pag di nila gusto yung naririnig nila, sinasabi nila, sinungaling na, yung mga ganun. So, tingnan natin. Kasi no, over the weekend, sabi ko, ano ba, meron na naman mga mangyayari ng weekend. Kasi sabi nila, fugitive daw si
Tsaka medyong this last few days, parang ang contempt order, parang nagiging sunod-sunod na pagbabato sa mga resource person, nagiging common na. So, parang nawawala ang effect niya for some. Mga iba, very daring. Sige, cite me in contempt. Go. Kaysa magsalita ako at babanggain ko yung mga malalaking tao, siguro yan ang mindset nila. But anyway...
Ang inaabangan pa rin ngayon, of course, syempre, merong Senate hearing na nangyayari at nakita nga natin ang attendance doon. Of course, sila dismiss Mayor Alice Go, you have Cassandra Ong, you have yung Catherine, yung kanyang staff, sino pa ba? Yung Suwal Pangasinan Mayor, di ba, nandoon din. And ang inaabangan ngayon din, doon sa mangyayaring Congress hearing naman, yung sa Quadcom nila, kung iimbitahan or kung dadating doon, papayagan pumunta si Alice Go doon. Kasi meron silang request for that.